Get to work, boys.
Painting the beam. I'm gonna paint in between the beams white.
Gotta add a beam right there.
Time to patch the floor.
It's time to finally deal with the spaghetti monster of wiring. We're gonna run them through a wire mold. It's these channels that you could clip onto the ceiling and run your wires through. But first, we gotta paint them white to match the ceiling. I have to run a three-way wire, which essentially means that you can control the light with two switches, and instead of going up and through the beams and around the ceiling, which becomes complicated, I'm going to go down through the basement and to that switch over there. Now for the fun part, I'm going to need to climb through that hole. Oh god, we found the motherboard.
Where's Daddy? Is he in the floor? I think I found out why your pants were dirty.
Don't look so excited to pop off some trim.
I'm busy. There you go.
I've been through this hole probably several times. I haven't quite developed a good technique to get in here yet. Just lay on your stomach and pull, prop up your knees, and we're good. Gross.
Okay. True meaning of a man cave.
Take this wire and run it to the box. Finally got the wires fished through the basement and up into this wall. To add a double switch box though, and it doesn't quite fit, so we're gonna need to notch out an area.
Let there be light.
Taking down these octopus wires. How do I take these off? We're finally insulating the house!
We're gonna seal the wall now with some vapor barrier. I'm using acoustical sealant and fancy tape to seal off the joints.
What a nice house we have.
Hi guys, that's it for this episode, but stay tuned for next one. We're going to be drywalling and painting.
Not in these because they're hot. I'm schwitzing.
We have a lot of new subscribers lately. Thank you so much for joining and subscribing. We're going to have a Q&A video coming soon. Check out our Instagram right here. Over there you'll see a photo with a Q&A, and just ask your questions there and we'll answer them in a video coming soon. See ya!